In this how-to video, we'll show you how to sign into Brivo on your mobile app using the new authentication platform. Launch the Brivo on your mobile app. If you are a new user who recently started using our products and services, or an existing user who has been recently migrated, you'll need to use your email to sign in. A new page will pop up. Enter your password and continue with login. If your email is associated to multiple accounts, you'll see all the accounts listed here. Select the account that you want to use. Now you're successfully signed in. Now let's also take a look at an account that has not been migrated. You can continue to sign in using your username and password. To make your sign-in process quick and easy, we also recommend that you select Stay Signed In during your login process. Your device must be protected with either a passcode or a biometric to use this feature. For more information, visit us at brivo.com or contact your Brivo account manager.